And then this Juicy Terrazza. I will make a video of it because we don't have yet. Look how lovely, so many flowers. Each has a different color, and there is also variegation. If you look at the petals, you can see that like this here, it has stripes of darker colors or brighter colors. So it's a very special rose that I'm so happy. I love it because each flower has a different color, and they are also variegated on top of that. And they are these round shapes. The petals are round like this. Let's try to find, let's see, like here, variegation in places. And at first, when it arrived, it didn't have variegation. So the first time, so I was really sad. I thought it lost the variegation. But after half a year, it started to bring out the flowers in the colors that they are supposed to be, like this. And I'm also happy that despite it being such a young plant, see, it gives us so many flowers. And if you look pictures online, they look absolutely amazing. So if this would be a bigger bush, it looks like it puts out, you know, like dark red roses and pink and orange in so many colors. So stunning. So we're gonna check on it in a couple of days to see these babies when they open, how they're going to look, which colors they develop. Look, the new bud is opening, and you can observe some variegation already. This is really a wonderful rose. And here we are again with Juicy Terrazza as more of the buds opened. And you can clearly see the variegation in this one at the center. It has this nice stripe here. And the shape of the petals is so cute. And this one is quite expensive in Japan because it produces so many flowers and in so different colors, so it's a lot to enjoy when you have this one. See, even though it's such a small plant, it gave us so many flowers. One more Juicy Terrazza opened, and look how beautiful the variegation is and the shape of the petals. And what is so nice is that the variegation stripes are wide, so it really looks like painted with a brush, with brush strokes. Meanwhile, the earlier flowers are still here, so it has a very long vase life or pot life. And even the older flowers are so cute with these dots that they acquired and a little bit bleached in color. So this is really an amazing rose. I'm very happy that I have it in the collection. Juicy Terrazza.